Hello everyone and welcome to Anfield. South. Right, I'm going to get my drone up and see if Wembley's ready for tomorrow. On the thing it's saying 1 day to go when it comes up. Carabao Cup, 1 day to go. Decent. So yeah, going to have a little walk round, see if there's anywhere I can fly my drone from. It's quite busy here. I need a little park or something I can take off from. Or a car park. I'll fly with it. I'll see you in a minute. So here I am over Wembley, checking it out, see if it's ready for tomorrow, and it looks immaculate. So we're just going to have a little fly round. Not much, just to see what we can see. Little side on view there. I'll have a little zoom in on the tunnel area, so see how that's looking. People getting ready for it and everything there. Is that Jurgen Klopp? Looks like Jurgen Klopp, doesn't it? Or Xabi Alonso maybe? Want to see the arches? Oh, the arch. There's the arch, there's Wembley Way. It's all looking amazing. Wembley Way is quite busy as well now, day before the game. That was great, wasn't it? Sorry, I'm not as talkative as I normally am. I'm just not used to being here, am I? With the drone, so yeah. Got to keep an eye on the drone. A little bit higher. I thought we might have seen some stuff on the seats, but there's not. Have a little look down that way. The goals are there, but they're not set up. Looks amazing, doesn't it? Yeah, it's all nice and clear. And that's how it looks from a distance there. It's looking amazing, really is. Can't get over how good the pitch looks. Yeah, so that's about as much as I'm going to get here, guys, so I'm going to leave it there, okay? Right. Hope there's enough for you there to whet your appetite for tomorrow's game. Yeah, back on the ground now. I had to find a car park to take off from, and I don't think I'm meant to be here, like, don't meant to be flying from here. But I'll just show you the view I've got from up here. It's good. Here we are down here, so there's the arch. And Wembley's looking dead until tomorrow. There'll be chocker in there. That'll be chocker down here. Full of Liverpool fans. Oh yeah, can't wait for it. Yeah, just look across London here. Right, my geography of London's not the best, so I'm not sure where I'm meant to be looking. Yeah, not sure. That's the view across London at the moment. The clouds look amazing as well. Yeah, so I'm going to call that a day there now. Hope you enjoyed the video, hope you enjoyed the journey. Match day vlog coming tomorrow at some point. And if anything else that is of interest, if anyone sees anything from London, let me know. I'll try and get it before I come home. Okay? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you like it. Been a hassle getting here, so yeah. Speak to you all soon. Bye now.